Okay. First things first. Let's arrange our equations into ax by cz equal to constants. So we're starting with the first one. The first one, let's take this negative to the other side. Then we're going to have 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 14. Then second one, x minus y minus z is equal to 3. And then the next one, we take this negative 2x to this side. Then we'll be having positive 2x minus 3y minus 3z is equal to 5. Then we draw our matrix. 3 by 3. 3, 1, 2. We only take the coefficients. So the coefficient of x, we put them here. The coefficient of y in the middle, and then so on and so forth. Then it's negative 2, negative 1, negative 3. Then this one is 4, negative 1, negative 3. Our constant is 14, 3, then 5. Then we haven't started. Then let's now cross. We're now calculating for delta 0. To calculate for delta 0, we go to row 1, column 1, and then we cross them out. So we're going to be, let me use a different marker. You cross these ones out, and then this one's out. Then you're going to be left with your minor, which is this. Yeah. This one, when it crosses, it's your cofactor. So we're going to be having something like this. It's 3 multiplied by something is missing.
Open brackets plus 1 close brackets and then open bracket 3 close brackets.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
IJ. Where's the minor? Oh, our minor there. You find that one. Is it important to write the formula? Okay. Do you all have books? They give you books? Yeah, math. This is okay. Let me show you something. Oh. But the formula, guys. Cramer. Now, this is what you're going to be. They write the formula research, nothing. See? Maybe I'm careless. But the formula should be in your parents.
Now, how do you read? It is more similar things. More Cramer's similar things.
Which is not important to write it. Hence, I went straight to something like this. Since we're crossing towards that one, let's cross to the next one. Negative 1. Cross to the next one, you're going to get your negative 4. Something like that. But let's continue. I'll show you how. So we now have this one multiplied by its negative. It's negative 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Reason being, we're talking about row 1 and column 1. This is the first row, and then this is the first column. That's why we're having 1 plus 1. Then, hence, I'm not going to be repeating something like this. I'll just move on because you'll be understanding when we move to this one, it will be still on row 1, but column 2. So it means it's going to be to the power 3. And if it's negative 1 to the power 3, you're going to be getting a negative answer, right? If it's to the power an even number, you're going to get a positive number. This is where it comes in. Okay? So, to make it short, since it's positive this one, I'll just write positive 3. Okay? And then from there, we write the minus, which is negative 1, negative 3, negative 1, negative 3. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we go to the next one. The next one says that it is to the power odd. Because now we're moving from this one. We go to the next one, which is this one. But still, we have this as our. Then we're going to have negative 2, negative 2 multiplied by the negative that you're going to be getting. Something like this. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 to the power 1 plus 2. This is going to give you negative 1 multiplied by negative 2. Right? Then you'll end up getting a positive number. So we say plus 2. And then the minor it's 1, 2, negative 1, negative 3. Then we go to the next one. The next one is going to be to the power 3, to the power 4 here. Because when you add them together, they must give you 4. And then if it's negative 1 to the power 4, it's going to give you a positive number. Then I'm going to write that positive because we don't have the negative there. It's 4 into. We now cross the next one. Now, when you cross this one and this one, it means this one is going to be left. So we take them. It's 1, 2, negative 1, negative 3. Then it's something like that. Any questions? Do you understand this first part? It's not looking at me. Fine. Any questions, guys? Okay? No questions. Then it's 3 into this one multiplied by this one. It's what? 3 minus 3. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 3.
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Minus. This one multiplied by this one is what? Positive 3. Then we get that. Then plus 2. This multiplied by this one, negative 3. Minus. This one multiplied by that one is what? Negative 2. Negative 2 multiplied by this negative is positive, right? Plus 4. Into this one multiplied by this one is negative 3. Minus. This one and this one gives you negative 2 again. Plus 2. Then you can now press your calculators. It always does. This is the simplest thing in maths. Negative 6. Remember, you miss everything here, everything is going to be wrong. So make sure. So you get negative 6. Then you go to delta x. Now for delta x, this is what you do. All the values of x, you remove them. You substitute them with the constants. So these ones, they're now going out. You'll be left with 14, 3, and 5. Then we now continue. We cross this line and this line, we're going to be having 14. Positive 14 right here. The minor 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be the same as that top one. Negative 3, negative 1, negative 3. Then we go to the next one. The next one is negative 2. That negative 2 is going to change into being positive 2 because of the negative that you're going to get when you're having an odd exponent. Then from there, 3, 5, negative 1 and negative 3. We move on to the next one. It's 4 now. Positive 4, 3, 5, negative 1, negative 3. And you repeat the same thing. 14 into. This one multiplied by this one is positive 3. Minus this one and this one is positive 3. Plus 2. This one multiplied by this one is what? Negative 9. Minus, and then it's going to change by that negative there, which is going to be positive 5. Ne? Am I fast? Okay. This one and this one is negative 9. Minus this one and this one will change it to positive 5. Then what is the value of delta x? 12. Fast. Do you agree with it? They should. Now we go to delta y. These values, remember I said these are the constants. Now you're going to take them back to original, which is 312. 312. Then all these values of y, we replace them with the constants. 14, 3, and 5. Then it's 3, 3, 5, negative 1, negative 3. Next one is plus 14, minus 14. You understand that what the negative 14 is? From this. We are in row 1, column 3. Obviously going to have an odd exponent. So odd exponent is negative 1. Negative 1 multiplied by 14 is still negative 14. Then it's 1, 2, negative 1, negative 3. Then the last one is 4. 1, 2, 3, then 5. 3 into this one and this one is negative 9. This one and this one is positive 5. Minus 14. This one and this one is negative 3. This one plus 2. Plus 4. 5 minus 6. Then what is the value of delta y? Okay, now it's slow.
Delta x. That's negative 24.
You're the one? Okay. It's negative 24. Negative 24, man. Oh, I'm not feeling good. So negative 24. It's okay. Then delta y is what? Negative 2. Then delta z. Then delta z, we go to z, we replace them. This one, take them back to original. Negative 2. Negative 1, negative 3. Then for z, it's 14, 3, then 5. Then 3 into this one and this one, negative 1 and negative 3. And then positive 3 and 5. Next one is negative 2. Negative 2 and that negative will give you positive, so you get positive 2. 1, 2. 35. Next one is 14 plus 14, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 3. 3 multiplied by what? Negative 5, ne? Plus 9. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 6 plus 14 multiplied by negative 3 plus 2. What is the value of delta z? 80.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Okay, as long as it's two people, like majority rules. Then to get the value of x, it's delta x divided by delta naught. Then delta x is negative 24 divided by delta, which is negative 6, which is 4. Then y is equal to the same thing, delta y divided by delta naught. Delta y is equal to negative 2 divided by negative 6. This is equal to 1 over 3.
Yeah.
Then z is equal to delta z divided by delta 0. Then delta z is negative 4. And then delta that is negative 6. This is equal to 2 over 3. Then that's how you calculate for x, z, and y. Any questions? You can go to that simultaneous equation and confirm. If you didn't make any mistake, then those are the correct answers.